Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is listening to and dissecting this video, and that is with someone they call producer. And now, this person is speaking about Maxine. Now, in this video, Lorraine is mentioned as well. And this person, producer, is saying that she should give persons that are involved in whatever way the 3 digits. Now, I don't know what that 3 digits is, but I'm sure most of you do know what it is. And she's talking about Maxine. She's saying that Maxine is in Jamaica eating breadfruits and, other stuff, and she's hungry and all manner of things. And yes, it's a whole lot to take in. And also, Dwayne is saying that as well. It's a whole lot to take in. So, guys, go ahead and listen to a video and listen what Dwayne has to say. Listen what the producer has to say. Hear, what is going on between her and Maxine and whoever else's name she may call. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I want to say, I wish you peace, love, joy, happiness, and prosperity for this year. And I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And to all my other lovelies out there, do have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.
Like this is a dark, deep blood clot cave where bat living I no want it. In joking in your blood clot, yeah, send you in a closet and lock you up in a closet and beat out your nasty ass. You look a logy, dirty drunk. You is the older 60-year-old woman upon this internet here. I give yourself problem. When you not go blood clot, tie up your blood clot self like corona tree and just call it George. Call it George right there, so you're damn dog shit you. Me no know nothing about Lorraine. That's why you walk a blood clot, call it Nyamalef. Go spit in a food, dirty Maxine. You Nyam Lorraine Nyamalef. Go. You can't talk to me. You can't blood clot step to me. Not because me no come out here. Me no boast and me no show off and me no brag. Blogger the pan ya. Blogger the pan ya. Blogger the pan ya. When me depend on blood clot platform, know how this girl, producer, / 5-star general, big up yourself, Bongo. Big up to Bongo, you can't talk about me going over Bongo life, gonna make problem. Me no make problem a blood clot people life. I don't make problem in a people platform. The platform holder, me not call nobody name, because nobody gon' say me first trouble them hour. So me always I go stay in my blood clot right. Bloggers depend you know the truth. I know what happened. I know say me no come over them platform come make no trouble. If them wishes speak the truth, they can tell you that. They know the damn truth. You understand? But guess what? Time and God, the truth will prevail and the truth must come out one day. Me never want a blood clot woman 3 digits for no reason at all. Right? I never me want it. And for all of uno out here, where I talk about say, who did want it. And the three of we did a work together. And the three of we did a rascal work together. And a producer number 1, they just said to me, say, me fi just ask her the 3-digit number to make we things, to make we see if the woman a make problem or what. So all I want to take this and run with it and shove up in a no dirty blood clot. Pussy or who have batty or who have cock, whatever. You understand? So I know nobody did send me come. A producer, me as me and the platform all our vibes more than producer number 1. And if she even asks sorry, she have a damn right to ask sorry because we in the group. So move up on a blood clot. Go up.
My God. My
No
God.
dirty pussy clat, you know. I wear no things, so you can't step to me. No girl can't step to me. None can't step to me. All retire, all cow can't step to me. Go down in a infirm, you go sit down yourself. You go sit down, Maxine. I go lay down. You're all dirty, blood clot, drunk, or you're hungry like dog. No, you see, you walk with your salsa, that's why Dana don't fucking look on you. You're there Jamaican, yam off breadfruit off a tree like you're a blood clot. You can't step to me. Eh? You can't step to me, dog. You look, make a spit on your blood clot. Two! I spit in your blood clot face. Where? I run away from your soul, man. All dirty blood clot foot, but me hungry. Me ugly, dirty, nasty, stinking Barbisha. You quack beside him there, so
Me right
me I put you in the blood clot sense fall right in.
Hold on, I forgot. If Barbisha is Barbisha over here. Oh, Barbisha there. Barbisha, what did you do to the producer, girl? Oh, yeah, though. What did you do to the producer, Barbie? Barbisha, what did you do to the producer? Anyways, let's continue. Let's hear what the producer says. The producer ain't leaving no stone unturned. The producer got hard. I'm telling you, she got hard. People, she got hard. She went crazy hard. Barbisha, what did you do, girl? Barbisha, you says it's something looking to do troublesome sometime. I don't know what she did, but clearly she took it. You tag Barbisha. Go call her. Go. Oh, no. Let her stay. Let her stay. Let her stay. Make her stay over there. Yeah, let's go back.
Maxine, go lay down. You're all dirty, blood clot, drunk, or you're hungry like dog. No, you see me I do. Run go call. Rejection.
What the hell?
You near me come, you near me night and you near me day because you're hungry. And when you sell our money, when you sell our cake, crutches in front Ashanti look at the problem. Me no make problem of blood clot people life. I don't make, say, me fi just ask her the 3-digit number to make with things. Me fi make to see if the woman a make problem or what. So all I want to take this and run with it and shove up in a no dirty blood clot. Pussy or who have batty or who have cock, whatever.
You understand? Goes for me too.
I know nobody did send me come.
I guess this goes for me too. No. Producer class, and she a class. She's class.
Producer mean as me on the platform always all her vibes more than producer number one. And if she even asks sorry, she have a damn right to ask sorry because we in the group. So you know, move up on no blood clot. Go up. You know, dirty pussy clot, you know. I wear no things, so you know, can't step to me. No girl can't step to me. None can't step to me. All retire, all cow can't step to me. Go down in an infirm, you go sit down yourself. You go sit down, Maxine. I go lay down. You're all dirty, blood clot, drunk, or you're hungry like dog.
Like and share, girls.
You walk with your salsa, that's why Dana don't fucking look on you. You're there Jamaican, yam off breadfruit off a tree like you're a blood clot. You can't step to me. Eh? You can't step to me, dog. You look, make a spit on your blood clot. Two! And spit in your blood clot face. Where? I run away from your soul, man. All dirty blood clot foot, but me hungry. Me ugly, dirty, nasty, stinking Barbisha. You quack beside
me. Barbisha let him know
me I put you in the blood clot sense fall right in the coop there. So me a cooping up in there so. Quack in there so too. You dirty Barbisha come go under comment and come talk about me ugly. If you don't think on a blood clot bad, put my picture out there. Dear any girl or any boy, put my picture out there and make them know own name producer. I'm not afraid for blood clot come out. Because when me a top shelf girl, me a top shotter out here. Right?
No, hold on a minute. I have a question. Me feel like the producer things too on both women and men. I'm thinking like I'm like one of the men them who knows who the producer is. Man, producer, are you throwing words at me, girl? Like have I ever offended you? Have I ever crossed you the wrong way? Like why not focus on the topic at hand. Why insert men in the conversation? Because men ain't doing nothing here. We're not doing nothing. So what's the real issue here? You know, like I don't know. Anyway, producer, I would love for you to call me. I need to get a better understanding of what happened. I want a breakdown of what has brought you to this point. Yes, sir. I'm gonna tell you, I'm on no one side, right? You know, so you can call over here, and I'm not gonna shun you. I want to know what happened. So when the live is about to over, when you call me and let's talk about it, I want to know.
Big woman, hey, don't even a blood clot go there with general, you know. No good there with 5-star general. You know, hear your name when we get over there. 5-star blood clot general. And the producer. Big up yourself, Bongo. To give me the name because you see it in me. And big up yourself, Marcia Campbell. To look for me and say, hey, that your producer. Big up on no damn nice clean self. You know, no blood clot good people when you no see good people. Because you no fall short and on a Judas out here. So
Like
when you no get
share.
a real blood clot soul to deal with, you no go on like say you no want come ride me back. I can lift up and kick off every bumble clot out here. Because no nothing about me. No nothing about me. You understand? And them a come out here and talk about some of them are walking dead and some of them
Come off the
can't
live
go
and come
foreign
back
and
on.
whatever. Every blood clot body have to dead. In the Bible, and the Bible can't go wrong. The Bible can't lie. It say death appointed to man once. We have to be dead. Whether we want to stand up and drop down, whether we want to sit, whether we want to go sleep, we have to be dead. But remember me telling you, say, me, I make sure, say, me secure my soul. But you know what? Me have to step up on the sideline now because I'm tired of it. How much months now you're there for me blood clot back, dirty hungry Maxine. I wonder if your blood clot belly full yet. Your belly can't full. Shit got woman. Your belly can't full. You look a dirty dog, you. You look a drunk, you look a underprivileged, unscrupulous dog, you. You look a shit, you. Look at you. At you, at 16 years me married, me married from me at 20.
People like and share.
One, we could deal with it. You understand? One die and see me there with one. And it's a 10-year marriage, 11-year marriage, and 16 years marriage. Do the blood clot maths. Do the maths. Your wife material. Me no run up and down like you know have no abiding city and I look for somebody. Do the maths. No facing no blood clot out here. And like me said, and I will say it, I don't know the truth. Platform holder out here no say. The condition good. Me a top shelf girl. You understand? Me a top shelf girl. My husband love me like I cook food. Not sure me no come out here and a boss. See all dog shit. All harlot. All crowbait. All jablat. All drunk rock. Or don't come on for me, leave me alone. And anytime when you come out here and throw no blood clot road, me a blood clot come out here and ride you know. And sit down in a saddle with you know.
The producer.
Right? If a views you don't want to no go get it. Me no want no blood clot views. Me financially stable. And my husband, good husband, financially stable. You understand? And people who me talk to behind the blood clot scene know say me a top shotter out here. You understand? Or no get that on our brain. Damn fucking out order. Actually, you don't know how it burn me. It burn me if it can't answer to you. It burn me if it can't come. Even make people know said with the lights that you are call my name in your blood clot mouth. And sure. Let me run the live.
Run the live, producer, because you hear a thing go. Like and share, girls. Pause. A lot of these over here, right, on his listening keenly, right? What is a big deal? Like, is the likes is free, the shares is also free. Please like the live and share it too. If you don't share on your personal page, throw the live in our groups. That works too. That works just as well as you share it on your page. Even if you share it in group, it's gonna even reach more people than you putting it on your personal pages. However way you look at it, just share it and like up the video, please. Thank you. Let's jump right back to the gossip. Talk now.
You can't blood clot see it. You can't see it. You need to go get a blood clot glasses. I broke buckle juke in your blood clot. Yeah, if you can't get one glasses, you look a dirty liar, drunk. You look a dog shit, you. You're dump. You coming like Riverton dump. You know, see, you can't go back America. You can't blood clot go back America. You better stay there with the $1,000 where you $1,000 where you get for social security, because I'm much down there, but you can't even find blood clot ticket to come up. Come out of blood clot people, Cub. Come out of people, butchery, Maxine faster.
What is a butchery?
Dirty elderly come out of people, butchery. And people butchery you living down there. I never know say butchery still in a style.
What is a butchery?
Like me granny donkey basket where when me granny come from bush, she used to put the basket off a donkey in the butchery.
Pause. Can someone tell me what is a butchery? I don't know what. Maybe me too young. I don't know what. I've never heard of butchery, but what is a butchery? For the older folks, then what is a butchery? Please tell me. I don't know.
A people butchery you living and you can't talk to me. No, you can't talk to me. You understand? And the only reason why. You see, use the least card of the pack. Use the least. Maybe if anybody else cuss me out, I would even answer them. But you're least card in a pack. And that's why me I put you back down there. Steal your blood clot down there. Me I suppress you down the dog shit. You look a dog shit drunk or you. Look at you. Look at the likes of you. One come up to my level. Who you, man? Who you? Who honor? Who honor? Any girl feels that they can come call me and come talk about say, I will have more over this and come record me just for that, cause that bitch can't tell me say she then record me for no other reason. I explain and I tell you what happened over there. You always call up the woman name to me, and I will for people. Oh no, you see how me happy now, me head happy now. I
get this.
Oh no, will forever here I speak the truth, and the person know the truth. Nothing never happened over there.
I got it.
That happened when the life done. When them are calling about you and Laura and Bob. And we come off of the live, and behind the scene, General asked me as me and the woman, me and the platform holder, whole advice more time more than she. You understand? And she asked me if I ask her for number. And 3-digit number can't do nothing, no fool and dumb, no blood clot. Human never want to feel nothing neither. We just want to see where trouble come from. But look at blood clot, you dirty Maxine. Dirty nasty Maxine, man reject you. Your pitney then reject you. Everybody reject you. Social media people reject you. Dana reject you. There's a blood clot rejection. So pussy Maxine. Well, I don't know how to come on like a woman. Yes, God maybe make we answer a woman, but I know every woman have to dress a woman. You understand? I know every me a woman. Me, I'm a lady out here. I am a lady out here. Right? And I can put that in our pipe and smoke it. And every woman don't see a woman. No, because some of them don't have no ambition, no character. Stagnant Maxine. Yes, you and dirty nasty stinking Barbisha are the perfect definition of stagnancy where Gully Rat talk about Uno make look at America, eh? Uno care about your if you have say you have passport, care about your fucking passport, go give Biden and make Biden take it give somebody who want to something with their life. You don't have no reason and cause you have the passport in your hand and do nothing. You're damn dirty, worthless, no good, no shame. Your life of living worth nothing. Look at you. Look at you. You stink no ras. Maybe run the voice note.
My God, what can I say? She not done, she just starting. Marcia, stagnant has always been an addiction. That is no one's word. That is not Donna's word. That's no one's word. That word has always been in a dictionary. Understand? So don't come mixing like it's Donna's word or whoever's word. It was always been in a dictionary. Always in the thesaurus. Stop it. Stop it, girl. Word stagnant still. The word stagnant will always be in circulation. Always. What are you talking about?